welcome to the craft table. Today's tutorial is canvas and lights. I know how you guys love lights and you seem to be pretty interested in canvas too. So today I'm going to be doing some basically freehand painting. I'm just going to let my imagination kind of go, and I'm going to be using canvas, of course. And I have 3 function 18 LED ultra slim wire light sets in a warm white. So you're going to need canvas, your lights, and of course the batteries for your lights. Mine take 3 AA's and I happen to have some. I buy several because I use lights a lot. And then of course your paint. I'm going to be using chalk paint. I always do. You should know me well enough by now. Your paint brushes. I've got all different sizes because I really don't know what I'm putting on here. And the water for your paint brushes. The palette. Whatever you use for a palette. And I have also brought out my gel pens and markers for detailing. I like to doodle. So this is what you're going to need. And my canvas here is, I'm pretty sure it's a 10 by 10. Let's see. Nope, it's a 12 by 12. Sorry about that. 12 by 12 canvas. But any size would do. Like I said, this is more of an inspiration than anything else. After you get this all painted, you will need some kind of a pokey thing. Mine is, oh, right here. Something to poke holes where you want. And then, of course, you're going to be needing like hot glue to glue the light down, and probably some painter's tape, which I don't see. Oh, yes I do. Painter's tape. Isn't it nice to have everything right where you can get it? Painter's tape to hold the wires down. So, let's get to work. Alright, we have our snowman, and I knew it was going to be a snowman, just didn't know exactly how it was going to end up. So all we have to do now is find our little pokey thing and figure out where you want your lights. And mine are pretty easy. I am going to put one in each. I actually counted these out to 18. So I am going to poke holes in the white dots and make sure that my lights work. Which they do. I don't know if you can see those, but yeah, they work very nicely. And I've got my painter's tape and my hot glue, and we are going to get to work again and put some lights in these. So we got all our lights glued down. We got the box all taped, and we're gonna turn them on just like that. And let's see what we got here. Oh, I have a brand new snowman sign for my front porch. What do you think? I love it. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it sparked that little bit of imagination. And I also want to remind you, if there's anything that you'd like to see me do as far as crafts and tutorials, just drop a comment. And I'll see what I can do. Also, if you have problems finding the items that I'm using, check my description. I have Amazon links to everything that I use all the time, and whatever is in this tutorial will also be in there. And yes, I am a Amazon affiliate, but that's nothing. I get a lot of questions, and where can I get this, and where can I get this, and especially for our lovelies over in the UK, and that they don't have a Dollar Tree, but they do have a pound store. But everything that I'm using, everything that I use all the time, I went and found links to them, so you can click on that. Does not mean you have to buy it. If you don't like what you see on that link, you can find something else, something cheaper, something more expensive. It doesn't matter. Just don't feel like you have to do it. It's just there for your convenience. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I sparked that little bit of inspiration and got that imagination going. And I really, really hope to see you soon. So, bye-bye now.